Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to sort out my decking. Over the years it's gone through quite a few different incarnations. When I first built it, I left it with natural wood and it looked really good, but unfortunately it weathered quite quickly. So I then recoated it with a wood finishing oil, which lasted for a few years. But then a couple of years ago I decided to paint it instead, and at first it looked great, but as you can see now it's becoming to look really patchy and faded. The main reason is that I used an exterior wood paint rather than a specific decking paint, so it hasn't stood up well to the weather and the strong sunlight. First of all, I need to mask off the spotlights that are built into the decking. The holes measure 30mm, so I'm going to put a bit of scotch tape onto some wax paper. I've got a 30mm template that I'm going to draw around. And now I'm going to carefully cut it out. I've already made 9 of these little circles, one for each spotlight. They stick nicely over the lights, which will help stop them from getting paint over them. That's all done now, and we're ready to start the preparation. For this job, I'm going to use Ronseal Ultimate Protection Decking Paint in the colour English Oak. Before painting, I'm going to give the decking a quick sand. I'm using a really cool sanding disc to remove any rough patches and loose paint. Now that's done, I'll brush away all the dust so I've got a nice clean surface for the new coat of paint. To darken the colour of the paint, I'm going to add some black wood stain to the paint. Okay, let's open the paint. Let's add some wood stain into it, just to make it a bit darker. I'm going to give it a good stir to make sure it's thoroughly mixed. Okay, that's looking a bit darker. Just a couple more minutes stirring. I hope it's not too much in the sun. I've tried to make it shady, just so it's not in direct sunlight. Now it's time to start painting. I'm using a big large 6-inch brush, which will help cover the decking boards much more quickly. The paint goes on really well and it gives a good coverage, although I expect I need to give it 2 coats for the best finish. The drying time will depend on the weather, but in this warm weather it's going to dry in a couple of hours, allowing me to give it another coat of paint. So I've left it about 2 hours and now I'm going to give it another coat. This coat of paint goes on really easily because the first coat has already sealed the surface really well. It's now bringing out the colour quite well and the finish looks much more even. Right now I'll leave it to dry and I'll avoid walking on it for at least 24 hours. That looks much better now. The UV protection in this decking paint should help to withstand the sun much better than the previous exterior paint I used. Now it's time to remove the tape from the spotlights. They come off pretty easily. Let's check the lights work. Yes, they work. Can't see them too well in this daylight. The lights show up now. The sun's gone down a bit. That's another job done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. More DIY videos, more music videos, or more hair videos. The decking is finished, the lights look great, and all we need now is a bit of rain to get the grass green again after such a hot summer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.